Namaskar, Eden Gardens people. Today on 2nd December 25, Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy. Thank you very much. Beautiful stadium, iconic stadium, Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Siraj versus Rinku Singh. মোহাম্মদ সিরাজ খেলছে হায়দ্রাবাদে। এখন ব্যাটিং, সেকেন্ড ইনিংস। আর রিঙ্কু সিং উত্তরপ্রদেশ, ব্যাটিং হয়ে গেছে, একটা 6 মেরেছে। Tuesday 6 PM. Second time match. First match 11 AM and second match 4:30 PM. And beautiful stadium, beautiful iconic stadium. খুব এনজয় করছি, দারুণ স্টেডিয়াম। দারুণ স্টেডিয়াম, খুব এনজয় করছি। ঝুলন গোস্বামী স্ট্যান্ড। Akshay Shah, YouTuber, My Travels YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment. Big stadium, oldest stadium in Kolkata and the world. Thank you very much. Everyone like, subscribe me and love me, support, blessing me. Many supporters today. Rinku Singh now fielding and Siraj batting. Thank you very much. Enjoying, entertaining, happy moment, spending. Many times I have come here, this Eden Garden, and enjoying and watch the match every day. Thank you. Beautiful grass of the stadium, fine grass of the stadium. Akshay Shah. And a big floodlights. Unbelievable, amazing stadium and supporter. Thank you, goodbye, and watch this match. And Star Sports Jio Hotstar watching this match every day. Jio Hotstar and Star Sports. Thank you, and watching now the match.